guys. Oh, the sun rays in my eye. Good evening.
Hello guys, welcome back to my mommy's channel. Today we are pizza on 10 KFC.
So guys, we're here at KFC waiting on someone. Cannot go inside, we have to be standing on the outside. The sun is blazing hot, but we cannot go inside. The person said the next 20 minutes he'll be here. So me and my daughter are going to stand for 20 minutes. Can you imagine that? And we have been here a long time, more than 20 minutes. So we're here just touching base with you guys. Catch you in a while. So guys, I finally got through. I waited so long. My first meal for the day. It's now after 1, almost 2 o'clock. So I bought a medium cup of soup, chicken soup. And I bought a patty for my daughter, beef patty. And we bought this big juice for both of us. This cost $220.
What?
So guys, I'm going to eat right now, catch it back. I don't know why it takes so long to eat because my stomach is still hurting. I did not expect to stay so long. Catch you in a bit, guys. Guys, we're now able to sit in just leave and eat and dine inside, but like for KFC and Burger King, just to order and go.
Was that you, mommy?
Yes, baby.
This is a big
Purchase
orange
that.
juice. Don't.
Not really.
Wow, what a picture.
No man, this is too far from me. Look at. That's okay, put it back. Can't get in my hand, I look too crazy.
You're greedy?
May I eat up now?
I am kind. You never noticed that I want to eat.
This is how they slice the yam.
Chapati is nice. You want some?
So guys, this is what's happening in Juicy Beef in Maypen. It's back to normal business. People coming in and order, and they're free to sit down. See, that's what normally happened before the COVID. See, it's happening again. Those nice food, cake, porridge. I'm happy, and that's the aquarium over there. That's the fish. Remember when I was younger, I always come and sit there and play with the fish. Mana orang nak lihat dak maya? Where? Oh, and it's Ed. Ed. Come quick, come quick.
Original, the thing gone clear.
Guys, it's so hot.
$500 with free shower gel.
Wait. Maya is buying shrimp, guys. Hmm? Maya is buying shrimp. See, shrimp them big and nice. Big and juicy. So Maya could not pass the swim. She asked me to come and buy shrimp for her. Alright, thanks. Alright guys, so here we are at Bashko. This one?
Yeah, the purple one.
What's the cost for this one?
Yeah.
$2.90.
Yeah.
$2.90 there?
No.
No, it's not there.
They will come by one?
Not today.
Tomorrow or next? Oh,
Next week.
no, Mom, no. Not next week.
These are some nice water bottles. Hmm? Which one is your favorite clock? Don't touch it. This one?
Okay.
Why you like that one more?
Because they have no coloring.
Huh?
Yeah, no coloring.
Fix the mask properly. I feel like me a suffocate. Here is it. Oh my god. Like that? Alright. I like those bedside lamp Mai. Which one do you like?
Auntie Mary,
Auntie Mary break up. She break up hers. If we had money, we'd buy it and surprise her. 1,000.
not this one either. I don't like that one.
You don't like this one?
Because it will easily break.
You'll easily break.
This one.
You buy that one for her?
Yes, when we have enough money.
Alright, we're going to save and buy it. We're going to surprise her, alright? This one is more expensive. You have taste, my daughter. You're full of taste, man. Hmm?
I can't surprise her with this for your birthday.
Oh yes, our birthday will be on the 30th of this month. So we can get her a gift.
Yes.
Yay, good idea, Maya.
Makes sense.
So guys, we're in Bashko. Get Maya, step aside.
There, what's that?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look, Mom, come here.
Upstairs. Oh God, me, I want to work that, you know? No, take your time. Whew. Careful, alright? I don't know why you're taking me up the stairs. Music up here. What are you showing me? Okay. Yes guys, so we're in the market now. After my daughter, she saw the sweet potato. She wanted it. I gave her $100, right? She had $50. I told her to put it on the $100 and buy the sweet potato. She could cry, and she me a buy for. See her, look at she don't want to spend her money. Give me £2. As I'm buying sweet potato, Lord God, I'm buying cucumber. No. $50 me have in my bag. Cucumber. Me I cut off my grease. Chicken back. Look how things expensive down at Jamaica, people. Look how things expensive down a yard. Now look there. Look at the price. And a chicken back. Come here. Look at this. Turkey neck. Look at the price. How are we going to survive? Look at this. $330. What's gonna happen to 4 people? Guys, tell me what's gonna happen to us. Let me show you. Let me show you guys the fish. 2 fish. $261 for 2 fish. These are Bangamary. Look at them. $354. And over here, 1 fish alone. So $158. Look at this one with 2. This one has 2 for $318. Look at this. $204 for 1 fish. I don't know what's gonna happen to us. So guys, this is the learning area for the kids who are living in the house. Children will have to be homeschooled. You know, you have to set up the home like a classroom. So this is what we're doing. It's in process. What's your plan for your kids coming September?